Aamir Khan admits that marrying Reena Datta within just 4 months of knowing each other was a mistake. Perfectionist Aamir Khan recently delved into a significant personal chapter of his life, his marriage to Reena Datta at the young age of 21, when she was just 19. The couple tied the knot in 1986 and remained together for 16 years before parting ways in 2002. Despite their separation, they have maintained a relationship marked by mutual respect and affection. In a candid podcast conversation, Aamir recounted the whirlwind nature of their early romance, leading to a swift decision to marry. He revealed that their acquaintance spanned only 4 months before they decided to wed, and even during that brief period, their interactions were limited. Yet, the depth of their feelings propelled them toward matrimony. We had only known each other for 4 months before that, and even during those 4 months, we hadn't spent much time together. But there was a lot of love and affection between us, which is why we got married. Looking back, Aamir acknowledges that such a significant life decision warranted more deliberation. But today when I look back, I feel that a step as important as marriage should be taken with careful thought. In the passion of youth, you don't understand many things. He emphasized that his reflections are not a critique of Reena herself but rather of the impulsiveness of their decision. Although I had a wonderful life with Reena, so please don't take this to mean that Reena was a mistake. That's absolutely not what I mean. Reena is very precious to me, and in a way, we grew up together. We were so young when we got married. Reena and I have great respect for each other and a lot of love between us. Their marriage, though initiated swiftly, brought forth many cherished moments, including the birth of their 2 children, Junaid and Ira. Aamir reflects on the journey with a sense of gratitude, acknowledging that while the decision was hasty, it significantly shaped his life. So it's difficult. In one way, I'd call it a mistake that I decided to marry someone within 4 months. Such a big decision was made so quickly. A lot of things have happened like that in my life. But I feel somewhere, they turned out to be right. We make mistakes and we learn from them. And the life you end up with becomes your life, then you find your happiness in that life. Aamir's reflections offer a window into the complexities of youthful decisions and the growth that follows, highlighting the enduring respect and affection that can persist even after relationships evolve.